Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Firefly for automated creative variations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Adobe Firefly for automated creative variations, begin by opening your Adobe Creative Cloud application. Log into your Adobe account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps tab located on the left-hand side of the screen. In the Apps section, locate Adobe Firefly in the list of available applications. If you do not see Adobe Firefly, ensure your Creative Cloud is up to date by checking for updates. Click on the Adobe Firefly icon to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, launch Adobe Firefly from your Creative Cloud library. After launching, you will be directed to the main interface of Adobe Firefly. To access automated creative variations, select the project you want to work on. In the project settings, locate the Creative Variations option. Enable the Creative Variations feature by toggling the switch to the On position. Next, you can choose from a variety of templates offered for creative variations. Select a template that best fits your project needs. After selecting, customize the parameters of your creative variations as desired. Adobe Firefly will generate variations based on your selected template and parameters. Review the generated variations in the Preview section. Feel free to make adjustments to refine the outcomes if needed. Once satisfied with the variations, save your project. You can now export or use your variations in other Adobe applications. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Adobe Firefly for automated creative variations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.